Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey on PS4. It's important to understand that Super Mario Odyssey is 100% exclusive to the Nintendo Switch. This means it was specifically designed and released only for Nintendo's console. Unfortunately, you cannot play this beloved adventure directly on a PlayStation 4 system, as the platforms are entirely separate. Game exclusivity is a common practice in the video game industry. Companies like Nintendo create unique experiences that are tailored for their own hardware. This strategy helps differentiate consoles and offers players distinct reasons to choose a particular system. Super Mario Odyssey perfectly showcases the innovative gameplay and design that Nintendo brings exclusively to its Switch console. If you're eager to embark on Cappy's adventure with Mario, the most straightforward way is to acquire a Nintendo Switch. The game is readily available both as a physical game card and as a digital download from the Nintendo eShop. While unofficial methods like emulation exist, they are not supported and often come with technical and legal complexities. For the best experience, the Switch is the way to go. Even though Super Mario Odyssey isn't on PlayStation 4, the broader Mario universe is vast and full of incredible games. Nintendo offers a rich library of Mario titles across its different consoles, each with its own charm and innovative gameplay. From classic platformers to exciting new adventures, there's always a fantastic Mario experience waiting for you to discover and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.